the first time, hi, my name is Josey and this is my beauty channel. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you do not miss any video when I upload one. So in this video, I am going to show you some of the items I got from the twin store online sale. Laura and Loretta are the owners or the CEOs, and they did a sale recently and I decided to try their Girl Boss products and some brow products as well as some lip products. So I decided to give it a try, and I also bought a few other things. So fam, let's get into this video and find out what I got from the twin store. So fam, this is the package and I'm going to open it now. And so this was shipped through FedEx. And wow, these are the items. Wow, I don't know if you can see this. Girl Boss. Alright fam, so let's get into the items in this package. So the first item is this Girl Boss by Laura and Loretta, and this is the brow pencil and the brow gel combo. So this product creates brow strokes and it's long lasting and it's also smudge proof as well as waterproof. So from I got two of the brow products, and their products are vegan and cruelty free. I got this in the dark brown and the black brown. So let me go ahead and unbox these and let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside. Okay. So this is the brow gel, and I can't wait to try this. So the brow gel is clear. So let's test this brow pencil. So this is the dark brown. So I like to that is the end. And that is the end of it. This is all the products you get from. This is all the products you get in the pencil. And I'm going to turn it back in. And this is the dark brown. I don't know if you can see from. I tried to draw a brow on the back of my hand, and yes, that is the dark brown. And I can't wait to try these in my upcoming videos. So let's try the black brown. I think these are the two deepest or darkest colors. I think so. So I decided to get those ones. So this is the black brown Girl Boss. So let's test this. So again, yes, that's the end of it. So again, this is the product you get in the pencil, and this is the dark. This is the black brown, and let me go ahead and test it. So this is supposed to give you brow strokes. So I went ahead and drew some strokes to see how it looks. So the first one is the black brown, and the second one is the dark brown. I hope you can see them. So far I got one of their lip gloss, and this is supposed to be long lasting and moisture rich. It's quite heavy. I like the heaviness of this. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's inside. Wow, I love the heaviness of this. I'll definitely be getting another. I love the products. You could see that there's a lot of products in there. And this is 0.11 fluid ounces. Okay. So let's see. I'm going to open that. I don't know why I was smelling the pencil, but I want to see. Ooh, this smells so nice. This smells so nice, fam. Let me see if there's any. Okay, there's no actual flavor in it. So far, I'm going to test this and see. So this is before. I have some lipstick on right now. I'm going to top it up with this Girl Boss lip gloss, and we'll see. I love the smell. I really do love the smell. So I'm going to clean this wand. I'm going to clean the wand now so that I don't transfer the color I have into the products. Yes! I'm excited to try some new products. And I got some other things from the sale. I got this LA Colors foundation, and this is the Truly Matte foundation, and it's long wearing and high pigment foundation. So I'm going to take this packaging off and test it and see how it applies. And this is supposed to be truly matte. I'm trying to comb this down. Okay. Just a little. I just want to test it and see how it blends. Wow. This is my shade. This is my shade. This is the CLM 364 mahogany, and I can't wait to try this on myself. The next item is also an LA Colors Truly Matte long wearing high pigment foundation, and this is in CLM 363 cappuccino. So let's go ahead and test this and see how it goes. So I'm taking off the packaging on there. Okay. Yes, this is quite light. Yes. This is lighter. I love the coverage and the heaviness of this foundation, and it really gives a really nice matte finish. I love the coverage as well, and it smells like pencil, like the wood on pencil. I don't know if it makes sense, but that's how this foundation smells like. So I got these 4 LA Girl Pro Color Foundation Mixing Pigment. And I got these because I really want to try how they work on mixing the foundations and the outcomes you get. So fam, watch out for a video reviewing these products, and I'm really going to test how these work when it's mixed in different shades of foundations I have, and I can't wait to try these. That's all for this video fam. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment in the comment section below any ideas or videos that you'd like to see from me. Also subscribe to my channel and join the Josey family. Join the Josey family fam, and until I see you in my next video, stay safe fam and never give up. Love you all. Mwah. Bye fam.